Oh, that's a big cough. He always had a fake sneeze. Now he has a fake cough. Andrew.
At the beginning.
No, it wasn't recording. Oh, big coughs. Are you faking it? Are you pretending? Oh boy.
Andrew, you know what? You really make me laugh.
Any more fake coughs in there? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, any last coughs? Oh. Oh. Oh, that was a real big cough. Listen to Mommy. Mommy has a fake cough too. Oh, that sounded like a sad cough. Oh, is it time for sleepies? Yeah, the hand goes over the face like that. That's his new thing. The hand goes over his eyes, and his fingers stay in his mouth. Anybody? Yeah, bedtime? Okay. We'll do some more fake coughs tomorrow. Good night, Sweetie Pea.
Bye-bye, fellow friends.